Hey bro, I have a one weird question for you. If someone gives you two options today, option A, you can only post a content and it will only go to the people for like next 1 to 3 days and then it will disappear forever. And in the option B, you build something once, then it will get to the people year by year and you will get also money from it. Which option you will choose? Option B, right? However, most people think they are building something in the Instagram, Twitter, or X. But these are the platform where you are just renting the attention for the minimal period of time. And once you stop posting content in this platform, everything dies. People will forget you faster the water falling from the waterfall. But there's a one platform that doesn't work like that, and that's none other than YouTube, which works like a digital real estate. You upload one video here, and then it becomes a property of yours forever. And when you understand this shift from content to asset, you stop chasing virality and start building something that compounds. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly 9 reasons why YouTube is the digital real estate and why entrepreneurs who understand this early play completely different game with it. Let's start with the reason number one, evergreen asset creation. You make one video today and it will generate you money year by year, decades by decades. Like a house, you build it once, then you give a rent to a lot of people. They will pay you monthly. And that's how the YouTube works. It will pay you day by day, week by week, year by year, and decades by decades, every single day. So it's an evergreen asset you can have here. And the reason number two is search based discovery. People come to YouTube to search for their question, and in answer they find the videos. Like if someone is searching for how to start a business, ultimate guide to entrepreneurship, there's a one word term called how to start a business. That's the one of the keyword, and that's getting researched by like 10,000 people only in the India. Like it's a data. If you will take the example, or is so 10,000 people are searching for that video every single month only in India. And in the all worldwide, if people are searching, like 1 million people are searching for this, or 10k people, so out of this there's a 100 video or 1,000 videos, so people will go into that video. And that's how you will win the game, because you have to, that's the SEO game to search engine optimization. People are searching for something. If they found that, they will go and watch you, but they will prefer who is big. But for the small creator, if you are providing enough value, then you will pop up, then you will make money, then you will get views, then you will make money. So focus on the search based content. And the reason number three, compounding growth effect. Every new video helps your old videos too. It's like a stacking Lego blocks like this. The more you add, the stronger the whole thing becomes. Because you just started your YouTube channel today, you will not get the million views in your first month. And it's all depends how many efforts you have done. Like you can so see my this channel, I uploaded around like 35 plus videos. Still I'm not in the position where I'm making good views. But I'm just fixing the Lego blocks so I can get to the top. So I'm at the bottom right now. But by the time and by improving my performance, this graph will increase and the growth will be in the e to the power x, the exponential. So the compounding effect works so much and you don't have to quit. The moment you quit, this compounding effect gonna fall. And the reason number four, asset renovation capability. You have a house, you do the renovation every year or every 2 3 years to make your house better. And it's same for the YouTube, because today I'm making content with the tripod, having the mic. But 6 months ago, I didn't have anything. So I get upgraded by time. And the last videos I have made the 6 months ago, I can change the thumbnail, I can change the title, I can change the description. So I can renovate all the things. The way I make video, the title I have made in the past. So I can change everything. Renovation is in my hand because it's your asset. You can renovate it to make this thing better, to attract more people, to get more views, to make more money. And the reason number five is platform stability. It's like other platforms, X, Facebook, Instagram, their videos only goes viral for like 2 3 days. In most good cases, 1 week or 2 week. After that, these videos die. Algorithm didn't push them at all. But YouTube, if someone search for something year by year, decades by decades, They will get the search results and they will get your video if you made that video and provide the solution to that video. So that algorithm is too different, and it has a lot of stability, and it's very good for long term. If you want to build something, YouTube is the best option you can do, either for your business, either for creating any entertainment content, or you want to do roasting, for anything. And the reason number 6 is high barrier to entry. Making YouTube videos takes time and patience. That's why there's not a lot of competition in the YouTube, but there's a lot of competition in the TikTok, Instagram. Everyone is making short content because it's take little time, and it will go viral, people will get attention. But the long form is something people will get value and will watch you for years. That's how you will make money. So, and many people quit so early because it's hard to do. It takes patience, it takes a lot of time. But who remain with that patience and calmness, they will succeed in the future. And the reason number 6 is needs profitability. You don't need millions of views. If you help a small group of people with a specific problem, you can still earn good money. I saw a child who has a Roblox channel who is making content around Roblox and the gaming, and he's only 14. And how much money he's making? Only pennies. And all of his videos are getting like 100k, 200k views, but he's only making like $10, $20 per video. And he's not promoting that much stuff because their audience is child, and child doesn't have a capability to buy something. So it depends whom your audience is. If the audience have the money, they will buy from you. If they don't have the money, you can't buy. So, and another example, if you are making content B2B, business to business, and you have only like thousands of subscribers, and they are all the top CEOs of the world, they are watching you. But there's another guy who's doing roasting channel, 5 million people, 5 million subscribers. He has the volume, he has the people who can buy expensive stuffs. So if they are making same amount of money, here the purchasing power is so high, here purchasing power is low, but they have, that guy has the volume. If they make same amount of money from the content, it because of the quality and the purchasing power here, and here the volume and the cheap products. That's how it differentiates. So find your niche, because riches are in the niches. So choose your niche. I am in my business niche. I'm teaching about your business and the mindset, and talking about how the YouTube is the digital real estate. And the reason number 8, authority and trust building. People will watch you today in the short. Okay, today they watch, next day they will forget you for that. But when you make long content, like 10 minutes, 1 hour of video, you create an impact, you give them value to their life, so they will remember for you for a long period of time. That's how you will build authority, and you will build trust among them. That's how you will win the YouTube game. And the last, reason 9, own distributional leverage. Once people watch you in the YouTube forever, you can just get them into your DM, you can get them into your communities, or get them into your email list. So it should be more personalized, because YouTube is the big field. It's driven by algorithm. You build the authority, you build the trust, but to make it more engaging, to make it more personalizing, you have to convert them into some kind of group, either it can be in the WhatsApp or Discord communities or Telegram or email list. Best thing you can do, because there's no algorithm in the email. The people who will put email into your email list, they will only get the email from you. That's how you will, it will be more personal connection, and you can sell something and you can make more money to them. And YouTube is the starting point of everything, and if your starting point is good, you're gonna make a lot of big things. And if you find this video helpful, just feel free to subscribe to my channel, and you can also check out my other business video here, and see you in the next one.